It all started with a single chair, a vision, and a dedication to our craft. Back in 1999, our company's founder believed that a haircut wasn't just about looking good. It was about feeling good. Our first shop in the once small and humble city of Iloilo stood where people could come in and trust in quality service.
Nais kong paabutin sa iyo at sa lahat ng mga kasamahan mo. Gems Barbershop, binabati ko kayo on your 20th anniversary. Masagaling ka talaga, Jun, at nagsimula ka sa maliit lang at pinalaki mo ng pinalaki. Happy anniversary, Jun! Happy anniversary, Gems Barbershop!
For the first time in decades, our doors were closed, and the buzz of our clippers fell silent.
Community quarantine is hereby imposed in the entire
Philippines has declared a national public health emergency.
More than 24 million people in and around Manila into a complete coronavirus lockdown, announcing
There is a crisis that is engulfing the country right now.
Lahat naman apektado no? Kami, isa kami sa sektor na apektado kasi nobody's allowed to go in the mall Alam mo naman lahat ng aming shop located sa mall. Nakakahiya mang sabihin pero we have to survive.
Pag pandemic naman, iba gid talaga. Sobra. Hindi natin maibalik yun sa tama agad kahirap.
Doon, natural na naramdaman din namin. Hindi lang yung mawalan ka ng trabaho, temporarily, paano na yung pag-aaral ng mga anak namin, ano yung magiging epekto to sa pangkalahatan ba? Anong mangyayari in the future?
We were worried for ourselves and we were most worried for our employees. So it was hard.
At ang hindi na namin nalimutan kahit na gano'n ang sitwasyon, hindi namin kinalimutan yung mga tao namin. Kasi that time, they were assigned into different places. They cannot allowed to go home.
Napakahirap yung dumaan yung pandemic. Malayo po ako sa sa pamilya ko. Napakahirap po that time na yan. Siyempre, pag tinamaan ka ng COVID, hindi mo alam kung magkikita pa kayo o hindi na ng pamilya mo.
Kahit yung benta mo, isang tao lang, isang customer lang. You have to pay the rent, and then the utilities. Lahat yan babayaran mo. So, ang daming mga branches din na close namin. Nag-sacrifice talaga para ma-retain namin yung mga kumikita lang. So, by selling our mga properties, naka-augment yun sa mga babayarin. Na-remember ko nga, lumuluhod kaming dalawa sa nag-pray na hanggang kailan to kasi sabi ko, naalala ko talaga. Grabe talaga. As in, lahat ng mga savings namin for 20 years, lahat naubos sa kakabayad lang ng mga rent and lahat ng mga utilities and also sa mga people namin na kailangan namin tangkilikin.
I wonder if they know what I've been through, the feeling when you've got so much to lose.
But God is good. Bumalik-balik na siya. And ngayon, though naging maganda na yung takbo, and nag-ano kami ni daddy nila na siguro it's about time na i-handle na ng mga bata yung business.
All our stores were closing, and then we didn't know when it would open. And then next thing I know, I was buying PPEs for the barber shop. I was buying masks, yung shield because they can't cut hairs without those things. And then it became like a open-close thing during the pandemic because there were levels of non-essentials where can open, stores that can open, stores that cannot open.
Nung lockdown, hindi pa naman kami masyado nahirapan kasi yung lockdown, mayroon pa kaming trust fund na na-withdraw. Tapos nung malapit na, na mahubos ng pera, nag-service kami sa mga customer na tumatawag sa amin. Kahit saan yun, pinupuntahan namin, kahit walang sasakyan, nagtsatsaga kami para lang may kami panggamit sa aming pang-araw-araw.
We had to sell a lot of our assets just to keep the business afloat, just to give our employees some help since we couldn't really open our businesses during the difficult time.
Sabi mo sa kanila, like, anong hirap? Ang kalendar din ngayon, nagugupit ng kalendar. Laban. Sinasabi ko na sa kinaya ko may. Kakayanin niyo to.
Ang iban ko nga po nag-silo na sa iban nga barbershop, yung appearance lang mo. Kaya kuya nag-stay ko doon sa James kay siyempre ang uyaman ko nga dahil madam ko dahil sir, dako man bullying nga sa akon mo, sa akon nga mga buhay, lahat kung sila nakapundar ko, akon pamilya, nakapaspila ko sa akon nga bata. Pagaman na yun. Tapos, pag hindi mo mag-silo, basta mag-retard ko kay dire lang ko, basta kay siyempre loyal ko sa James mo. Basta San Miguel.
Yun nga, kaya nga sabi ko sa kanila, laging yun ang aming motto ko sa kanila, sa family ko. May Bible verse tayong mababasa. Sabi nga seek first the kingdom and all good things will be added.
During sa Australia kami, while waiting, sa outside actually ng mall, mayroong barbershop doon. Nakita niya, maganda pala yung barbershop. Why, mag-uwi na lang tayo, let's go back home, and then tignan natin yung business ng barbershop. From Australia, bumili pa kami ng one chair. Dalawang chairs para to start with. So, nag-import kami ng mga accessories and everything para na-put up yung first barbershop namin.
Nagsimula kami ang gabi, ginagawa naming araw. Ang araw, ginagawa naming gabi. Teamwork. In 3 dekada namin, nung nagsimula kami, talagang kami lahat. Mula sa plumbing, carpentry, lahat-lahat, sa cleaner, janitress ito noon. Naglalaba kami, nung nagsisimula kami, nung nag-iisa pa lang.
Nung nag-umpisa kami, talagang hindi namin akalain na abot sa ganitong ano. Ang pinakauna talaga namin, ang Gaisano eh. Isang maliit lang yun, 7 yata, o 8 upuan lang. Ako pa yung sa construction, nagta-tiles, yan. Si Busing yan, talagang gumagawa rin yan noon, nag-uumpisa kami. Kami lang dalawa. Kumuha lang kami ng 2 o 3 tao. Kami lang gumagawa.
Gems has a brand of courteous people. Aside from skilled sila and they undergone trainings, puro sila, very courteous. That's our only way na mapapalapit sila sa mga customers.
Si Madam, mag-close ng SM, pumunta pa sa dito maglilinis. Mismo si Madam ang naglilinis sa mga Sus, may super linis kina. Lahat ng mga ito, may 5 bisis na wawalisan. Lahat, yun nagsipag si Madam. So, nandoon ako, bagong apply. Tinutulungan ko na si Madam. Danan, naging masipag din ako kasi nahiya naman ako na si Madam naglilinis. So, 2 kami naglilinis.
Kaya nga, lagi kong sinasabi sa lahat, no matter how smart you are, if you don't know how to handle your people, if you don't know how to take good care of them, you'll never be successful.
Sa industry ng barber salon, ito yung sa akin ito yung pinaka-systematic. Kasi hindi lang sa may hanap buhay ka, may trabaho ka, economically meron ka. Pero in terms sa empowerment ng tao, ito sila kasi in-empower kami. May seminar kami how about to deal with customers, paano namin i-pamper yung customers, paano kami gagawa ng tamang service para sa customer. Kasi yung ideals ng boss namin, ng company, in order to mag-progress yung company as a family, you have to empower your employees kasi kami yung partners ng company. Pag hindi kami in-empower nun, hindi kami binigyan ng enhancement, in-upgrade, magkakaroon ng hindi na yung progress na pinoproject ng company, hindi mangyayari yun.
Proud ako talaga nakapasok ako sa James. Malaking tulong ni Bossing ni Madam. Kaya parang araw-araw pang gasto, hindi ako mahirapan. Tapos nakatulong din ako sa pamilya ko.
Marami pong naitulong po si James sa akin po. Napag-travel niya po kami sa ibang bansa. Saka tinulungan niya rin po kami kung paano mag-ipon. Saka nakapatayo po ako ng sarili kong bahay. Papaparal po ako ng aking mga pamangkin. Saka nakabili po ako ng mga lupain. Saka na yung pangangailangan ng mga pamilya ko, na ibibigay ko po kung ano yung pangangailangan nila.
Kay Jem until ituloy-tuloy nyo lang yung aming sinimulan. Be humble at all times. Ulitin ko uli, put God's first. Pagka ganun ang naging motto natin, hindi ka mamalasin, kundi hahabulin ka ng swerte.
I want to expand more. I want to develop more of our employees' skills and talents, focus on that, so that not only are we expanding, but we're also, the quality would also be better.
Just to add to that is also retain most of our employees are, we treasure them. This is their livelihood. Also upgrade what they have right now, upgrade everything into renovations, all of that, while expanding Gems as well.
Sa lahat ng mga loyal patron, salamat ang marami. And we're doing naman our best to pay back in terms of good services. At saka siyempre sa mga empleyado namin, silang nagbibigay ng grasya.
I want to thank them, our employees, most especially. The ones who stayed, the ones who are new, the loyalty, and going to work every day. And to our customers, it's good that they're still around. A lot has changed already for the 25 years. That's a big accomplishment.
Actually, this 25th anniversary, it's all about our employees. Talagang we would like to thank them. Nila sa amin, napakabait, naging dedicated sila sa work nila and supportive. And also sa aming mga customers who are still loyal to us.
COVID happened, you still stick with us. I'd like to thank you for your support. Thank you. And for more years to come, tani ara makamilya po tungkol sa amin.
Happy 25th anniversary, Gems Barber Salon!
As we celebrate 25 years, we look back with gratitude and look forward with renewed passion. Every haircut, every style, every smile, it is all part of our story. And you are the reason we are here today. To our one big Gems Barber Salon family, thank you for being with us through the years, through the struggles, and through stronger beginnings. Here's to staying a cut above.